Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change color. So here I have a row of double crochets and I've gone across that row and I've started a new row. I'm going to change from pink to blue. So I'm going to have my blue ready to go. I'm going to start my stitch. I'm doing double crochets and I'm going to do the stitch almost completely. But once I get here to the last step, before I pull my thread through the last loop to complete the stitch, I'm going to change colors. I'm going to loop into the color as if it was the other one. And then you can continue crocheting with the new color, and it is a seamless switch in the color. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to do my stitch until I have to pull the last loop through, and I'm going to change colors. And instead of grabbing onto the old color, I'm going to grab the new color to pull that all the way through for a seamless switch in colors. And that is how you change colors in the middle of a project.
Learning to crochet, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.